All aboard!
Hey guys, coming to you from the heart of Sydney. Happy New Year. It is the 6th of January today, beautiful sunny day. I'm currently just on a 4 or 5 day break. Decided to get out, check into a nice hotel in the city and have a little bit of a rest and rejuvenation, so we're doing that. We've had terrible weather here in Sydney. We've had rain after rain each day, which, look, you know, compared to this time last year with all the bushfires, you know, that's quite a refreshing turn. But beautiful day today, just on the balcony, beautiful background of Darling Harbour, the iconic new Crown building that you can see over here in the background. Beautiful $2.4 billion resort or hotel casino resort that's been built, and a very iconic building there. Check it out. So after this rest, big plans for the channel. What's happening? Sunday is the big day. Sunday I am leaving, I am departing on a huge tour. 7 days, 3,500 kilometers, and very, very excited about this particular one. Border Patrol on a Harley-Davidson is what it's going to be called. We are locked down within the New South Wales borders, so I can't cross borders interstate. However, we're going to make the best of it, and we're going to tour around New South Wales. 3,500 kilometres is a long way to go within the state. 3,500 kilometres, using some rough maths, is probably about 2,500 miles over that 7 days. As you can see in the map here, we have got 4 states. In this red zone here is our state of New South Wales, so this is where I live, right over here on the coast in Sydney. Just as a zoom in, there we go there. Okay, New South Wales is our entire state. Sydney is right here. Up to the northern border we have Queensland. Over here to the western border is South Australia, and then down over this border that goes down out of the screen is Victoria. Okay, so they're essentially the 4 states that you're looking at there. We cannot leave the state, so what we're going to do is we're going to do some border patrolling. So we're going to take off, and we're going to head off from Sydney. As you can see here, I've labelled all the map out, so it's nice and easy to see. We're going to do a 7-day trip. 7-day trip, 3,309 kilometres. So we start there in Sydney, we head down all the way to Wagga day 1, which is going to be around about 459 kilometres. From Wagga we head across to, staying just inside the border, a little town called Baronga, which is in New South Wales, right on the Victorian border of Mildura. Mildura is technically Victoria, so we're going to stay in a place called Baronga. We're going to scrape that Victorian border. From Victoria we're going to head north from there, heading up along that western border there, up towards Broken Hill. We're going to zip about 50 kilometres it is from that spot there out to the South Australian border and back. So it's about a 100k return journey, just so we can touch on that South Australian border and then come back through. From Broken Hill we're going to head up to a place called White Cliffs. So White Cliffs is pretty cool. I want to check this out. It's an opal. I think it was originally found as an opal town. There is a motel there that you can stay underground, which is pretty exciting and pretty cool. So I want to stay there and have that experience. Then from there we're going to go down, we head straight across to Cobar and then up to Burke. So we're going to spend the night there in Burke. And then from there I'm going to head all the way up here. We're going to head towards and touch on the Queensland border. Then from there we're going to come down and stay the night in Moree, which is quite a big town. We'll check out Moree, and Moree back down to Tamworth, which I have stayed in before. And we'll stay back in Tamworth again for the night, and then Tamworth essentially all the way down and back into Sydney. It's going to be epic. There's going to be some beautiful footage. It's going to be tough, grueling, fun, exciting, you name it. So join me on the ride, leaving Sunday, bit of a rest, Happy New Year, hope all's safe and well where you are, and really excited for 2021. Our first tour coming up, border patrolling on a Harley-Davidson. Happy New Year, guys.